Karas and Kaden learn as we play.
Do you know how to blow bubbles, Kaden? Do you know how to blow bubbles? Can you show me how to blow bubbles? I am going to show you 2 ways how to blow bubbles in the water. Let's go! Method number 1. Blow bubbles through your nose. Do you know where's your nose? Step 1. Put your head in the water. Step 2. Pretend you have mucus in your nose and force them out. Now, I am going to show you how you blow bubbles through your nose. Method number 2. Blowing bubbles through your mouth. Do you know where's your mouth? Step number 1. Put your head in the water. And step number 2 is look at my mouth and do this in the water. Let me show you how to do it now. Please like and subscribe my videos now. Be motivated to do more videos.